Hello children, we'll start with practice set 16.3. Question 1. Find the volume of the cylinder if height h and radius of the base r are given below. So r equals to 10.5 centimeter, h equals to 8 centimeter. To find volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, that is area of base into height. What is the area of the base of the cylinder? Pi r square, and height is h. So area of base into height. Substitute the values here. Pi is taken as 22/7 and calculate. You will get 2772 cubic centimeter. Therefore, the volume of the cylinder is 2772 cubic centimeter. If radius equals to 2.5 meter, height equals to 7 meter, we have to find out the volume of the cylinder. Formula is pi r square h. Substitute the value and calculate. You will get 137.5 cubic meter. Unit are given in meters, so unit will come in meter only. Next, r equals to 4.2 centimeter, height equals to 5 centimeter. Again, we have to find out the volume of the cylinder. Formula is pi r square h. Substitute the value and calculate. You will get answer 277.2 cubic centimeter. The volume of the cylinder is 277.2 cubic centimeter. Next, radius is 5.6 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter. Again, we have to find out the volume of the cylinder. Formula is pi r square h. Substitute the values and calculate. You will get volume of the cylinder is 492.8 cubic centimeter. Question 2. How much iron is needed to make a rod of length 90 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter? Now, iron rod means it is cylindrical in shape, so it will be a cylinder only. For cylindrical rod, length of the rod, your length of the rod will be the height of the cylinder equals to 90 centimeter and diameter equals to 1.4 centimeter. Iron required to make a rod, we have to find out. So diameter equals to 1.4 centimeter. Therefore, its radius equals to 0.7 centimeter. 1.4 divided by 2 equals to 0.7 centimeter. And volume of rod equals to pi r square h. 22/7 into 0.7, that is radius, into 0.7 into 90. Simplify this, you will get 138.60 cubic centimeter. Volume we have to find out. Solid rod it is. Question 3. How much water will a tank hold if the interior diameter of the tank is 1.6 meter and its depth means again height only, is 0.7 meter. Given interior diameter of the tank equals to 1.6 meter and depth h is 0.7 meter. To find capacity of the tank, interior diameter of the tank is 1.6 meter. Interior radius r equals to 0.8 meter. Converted into centimeter equals to 80 centimeter. Height 0.7 meter equals to 0.7 into 100, that is 70 centimeter. Capacity of the tank equals to volume of the tank pi r square h. Substitute the value of pi r and h. You will get 14,08,000 cubic centimeter. Convert this into liter. 1 liter equals to 1000 cubic centimeter divided by 1000, so it comes to 1408 liter of water it can hold. The tank can hold 1408 liter of water. Question 4. Find the volume of the cylinder if the circumference of the base of the cylinder is 132 centimeter and height is 25 centimeter. Circumference of the base equals to 132 centimeter and height 25 centimeter. We have to find out the volume of the cylinder. Formula to calculate the circumference of the base of cylinder is 2 pi r. So 132 equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. From this we can get the value of r. R equals to 21 centimeter. Very easy. Simplify and see. Next, volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h. Now, r you have calculated about 21 into 25, height was given. So, substitute the value and calculate. You will get 34,650 cubic centimeters. So, the volume of the cylinder is 34,650 cubic centimeter. This much is sufficient for this chapter. In the next video, we are going to see the new chapter. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself.